Two legendary cities, one age-old rivalry. Which one truly stands out in 2025? On one side, New York, the city that never sleeps. On the other, Los Angeles, city of angels and stars. Let's skip the stereotypes and get into the real facts. Each category scores points, and by the end, you'll see exactly which city claims the crown. The winner might surprise you.
So here's how we're breaking things down today. We're talking population, economy and cost of living, climate, lifestyle and culture, transportation, and of course, parks and nature. Think of this as the big city face-off mind map. Each category gets its glow up, and by the end, we'll see which city comes out on top in each area. Kicking things off with population. New York is wild. Like, seriously, over 8.4 million people call NYC home. It's literally the most populated city in the U.S. But you do gotta love crowds if you're moving here. It's packed, and you're always rubbing shoulders with someone. Now, L.A. is no slouch, with about 4 million folks. But honestly, it feels less dense, you know? Still big, more room to breathe, but definitely half the sheer size of New York. So, yeah, New York takes this round pretty solidly. Let's talk money, because both cities will make your wallet nervous. New York? Its economy is just insane. Second largest among cities worldwide, tons of global hubs and industries. So if you're chasing business or finance, this place is your jam. But those skyscrapers come with sky-high rent and cost of living. LA holds its own with entertainment and tech money rolling in, and honestly, the cost of housing can be a bit more chill. But don't get too excited. It's still up there, and salaries don't always go the distance. Still, New York edges out LA in terms of economy, basically because, well, Wall Street. All right, weather check. Here's where LA fans always get smug. Honestly, it's kind of deserved. New York gives you seasons, like snowy winters and those hot, sticky summers. Gorgeous city parks all year, but wow, the winters can be brutal if you're not into layering up. On the flip side, LA serves up that endless summer. Mild, sunny, barely any rain. Sometimes there's drought, wildfires, and air quality drama, but would I trade months of snow shoveling for a few hazy days? Maybe. LA is the clear winner for climate. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know more people live in New York City than in 39 entire U.S. states? And get this, over 800 languages are spoken there every single day. That's wild diversity that you hear just by walking down the street. You want lifestyle? Both of these cities are overflowing with culture, but in totally different flavors. New York never sleeps. Legendary theater, art everywhere, that non-stop pace. A place where you could get a slice of pizza at 4 a.m. But, heads up, the intensity can be a lot. And yeah, owning a car? Good luck. Then there's L.A. Hollywood's playground, super chill vibes, beach days, and honestly, the diversity in food and music is off the charts. You get creative scenes everywhere, but, and it's a big but, traffic is part of the package and public transit can feel questionable. Truly, on lifestyle and culture, I gotta call it a tie. Both deliver, just in totally different ways. Okay, getting around. If you've ever taken public transit in the US, New York's system is kinda legendary. Subways, buses, late-night rides. There's a train for literally anywhere you want to go. Though, yeah, sometimes it's crammed and feels a bit vintage. LA, on the other hand, it's a car town. You almost need your own wheels to really get around. But metro lines are growing, and biking is even catching on. Still, it just doesn't compete with the Big Apple's transit game. This round, all New York. Finally, outdoors time. New York is iconic for its parks. Central Park, riverside paths, little pockets of green everywhere. But, most of those are pretty urban. Now LA, this is where it shines. You've got beaches, actual mountains, hiking trails, all like right there. Griffith Park is massive, Santa Monica's gorgeous, and those views? Come on. If you love getting outside, LA is definitely the winner here. All right, so check it out. Here's our city radar chart for 2025. You can literally see how New York and LA stack up side by side. New York's way out front on population and transportation. LA is running away with climate and nature. Kind of amazing how different city personalities pop when you look at the big picture. So, honestly, here's the deal. New York is just brimming with nonstop energy, has a crazy global vibe, and there's always something happening, any hour, any day. Now, if you're about that sun-baked creative buzz, love being close to the beach or a hiking trail, LA serves up that relaxed, creative living. Want pure city hustle? Go New York. Craving that laid-back, sun-chaser life? LA's calling. It's all about your vibe. If you're into big city comparisons like these, stick around for more. Oh, and tell us in the comments, are you more Team New York or Team LA? Which city would you actually move